On number 18, we are asked to determine if AB is tangent to circle C. A tangent line will always be perpendicular to the radius of a circle. So if this is in fact tangent, that triangle made should be a right triangle. First of all, AC is the radius of 4.8. So that means CS is also 4.8. And that entire side length there would then be 9.6 for this entire side there. And then the other side, the other leg of my triangle, 7.2. And that should be equal to 12 squared. Well, 12 squared is 144. 7.2 squared was 51.84. 9.6 squared is 92.16. And that's cool because when I add these together, I do get 144. So the answer to number 18 is yes. Okay, so that's what you'll need to do on 19 as well. We'll check it out. Actually, AC is the radius here. That's 11.2. So this part is also 11.2. So if I look at the entire side length for this guy, I'm going to have to add 11.2 and 6.8. That gets me 18. Sorry, my coon dog is barking outside. That's what I get with a coon dog. Alright, 11.2 squared. And let's see, is this true? 18 squared is 324. 11.2 squared. My calculator is 125.44, and this guy right here, 15 squared is 225. So no, that is not going to be tangent because 225 plus 125.44 is 350.44, and that does not equal 324, so that's a no. Cool. Number 20, we have to solve. So as long as they are tangent, then I get to just solve my Pythagorean theorem. Therefore, 8 squared plus 11 squared should be equal, 8 squared plus x squared. Woo! We almost went off the rails. We recovered. Okay. Oh my, I keep doing this. Do you see how it's just this section is 11? So my radius 8 right here has to be congruent to the radius here. The radius is always the same length. So if that's 8, then my entire hypotenuse all the way across would be 19. Yikes. Remember on your Pythagorean theorem that the c squared has to be the c, that's your hypotenuse. That's your longest side. It's also always across from the 90-degree angle. 8 squared is 64. 19 squared is 361. If I take away 64, I get x squared equals 297. And if I do the square root of that, x equals 17.23. Number 21 has a radius of 3, so the diameter should be 6 altogether. So for my Pythagorean theorem here, this is where my right triangle or right angle should be. So we have 3.2 squared plus 6 squared equals x squared. And let's make sure that that is happening. 3.2 squared. They're not making it easy on us, huh? 10.24 plus 36, because that's what 6 squared is, equals x squared. So that gets me 46.24 equals x squared. So I need to take the square root of both of those, and I get 6.8 equals x. Love it.